Guys, so nag-arrive na naman yung ating isang Divita AP Plus Mini. Okay, so ito more on parasite to. So for cleansing. So yan, itong isa natin, itong ginagamit natin na normal Amoron Energy guys. Okay, so grabe, I'm excited na meron na ako nagamit dito. Grabe, meron siyang 184 na programs na ma-enjoy mo at buong pamilya mo guys. So I believe this is the future of medicine. Is gonna be the trending for this year. Okay, pagdating sa holistic wellness. Okay, so eto guys, so you can try to sign up para makita nyo, you can review it. Pero hanggat maaari, syempre, pwede ka namang umorder then using credit card. You can try the products. Ang good news dito, hindi to nauubos, no? Hindi siya nauubos, guys. Then, ito, i-deliver sa'yo, okay? I-deliver sa bahay mo. So, okay, grabe guys, the new technology. Hindi natin ever since pa, ito pa yung technology ni Albert Einstein, okay? The future of medicine is frequency. Okay, guys. So, yan, no? Wow. So, tinabla ko na muna yung mga apple. Hindi na muna bumiling apple. Eto na lang, guys. So, mas maganda na yung health natin is very protected tayo on daily basis. Okay?